In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a wall bridge. This is a simple progression towards doing a full back bridge on the floor, also known as the wheel pose in yoga. To do this exercise, all you need is a wall. You're going to start with your back and your head against the wall, and then you're going to lift your elbows up and put your palms on the wall. Keeping your head against the wall, you're just going to let your butt come off the wall, and then if you feel ready, you're going to try to slowly push your head away from the wall. This may be really awkward and it may feel really difficult for your shoulders. So do this slowly the first couple times you do this. Some people may find this really easy, and that's okay too, but you just don't want to jump into it really fast and then hurt your shoulder or your neck. So just keep your head on the wall first, then slowly push out, and then as you get more comfortable, you can push further and further out. Now, as you want to progress with this, you can start to walk further away from the wall and work on extending your elbows more and more. So you're getting a lot of extension out of your upper and mid back. You're also teaching your shoulders to go into full flexion, right? Going really up alongside your head, and you're building strength through the arm to create elbow extension. So what you want to be doing, whether you're doing it as a beginner or you're doing it into a further extended position, is work on control. So you want to hold the position for first 5 seconds, then 10 seconds, then 15, 30, 60 seconds, just so you build that strength in all those positions. And when you want to make it harder and harder, then you can start to go lower and lower and lower and lower down the wall. So that is how you do the wall bridge to help you get to a full bridge on the ground. If you like this video, be sure to click the like button, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. And as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.
I'm gonna make you do it one more time.
What? Really?
Yeah.